What up, YouTube? It's your boy Nasdaq Soldier. I just entered this trade. Uh, it almost don't feel right. Like it could keep selling at this point, because it's in the overall downtrend. But I feel like, it was a setup, and that was the furthest area it can go. But I don't know. It just feel like it's just the volume didn't come in right here. It came in down right here, and it felt like I got in late. It felt like I got into the trade late. I ain't even gonna lie. So let me see. If I was the guy to get in right here, then the take profit is literally right there. Uh, yeah, it just feel like I got into it late on some stuff. But it was a setup. That volume came in. But I don't know. It almost feel like the volume can't keep coming all the way. I mean, it can, but it just feel like it can't just keep dropping from that point. It feel like it still got to do some other stuff because that was a big move right there. But it is a setup. And it also created a whole nother setup. And when it's creating setups back to back like that, that mud dang near a reverse. Price will get the reversing. Because the first setup got to be its own thing and play out. But it's creating a whole nother one. You know, it's possible. You know, selling pressure is in the market. So with the sellers coming in like that, they can still push that thing down, create a new low, whatever like that. But if I was to get in right there, and I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't really just looking at the chart head on to even be able to get in right here. Like I wasn't really just looking at this mug, but once I seen a big drop, that's when I was like, hold up, and I just, you know, I got in. So if the take profit was gonna be right here, see that would have been take profit right there. That would have been take profit right there. Oh snap! Oh, oh! I just exited the trade on accident. Oh man, could see my screen tripping. What up, traders? We back. It's 4:49 in the morning. Uh, I just see potential, so I'm taking it. Price stalled out down here. Start creating demands. This was a demand, and this was a demand. It broke out, came back, tapped it. It's pushing above the 14 EMA. So we're going ahead and trying it. Oh yeah, the same account. Dang, that mug actually came dang near all the way back. Damn. And I be wondering, how do I deal with a trade like this? Cause it's like I could have got out at break even. But even though it came all the way back, it's still the same price structure for it to go up. The thought process of me putting that trade to break even and then just looking for a whole nother setup just so I won't be in this situation of hoping it turn back around when I could have been out of the trade already looking for another setup, because my setup was that first move. Let's see. If my first move not working out or don't work out for me, then I should just be looking for another move, a whole nother setup. Cause like I could be out this trade looking for another setup instead of sitting in it, because my move was that move. Like even in this situation, it's like even if this was to go back up, even if it was to react off this demand and go back up and even potentially play out, it's like this could have been a whole nother move, you know. See what I'm saying? There's some whole other stuff right here. I'm out. Yeah, I'll have to see, look at that. See some whole other stuff going on. But it did come close to the take profit. But I think if it come that close, I should put it to break even, because that's just what I was looking for in my move. But then it coming all the way down here, it's like it's on some whole other stuff now. So what we looking like? Down 42. It's 8 o'clock. Market opened up at 8:30. It's giving this setup on the 5-minute right here. It's in the uptrend. Giving this setup on the 5-minute. And it's the pullback right here for us to jump in. When it touched, I can get in now, but I think I'll just wait real quick. And we're in. And denied, right? It's crazy. The trend really reversed right here. It not continue as soon as I get my setup. Damn, the reversal just happened. Like you can see, it's on this uptrend, and I got my setup, and the reversal just happened. That's selling right there. That was some selling, boy. And this the furthest area right here. If it tap and volume come back in, should I be scared of all that selling? Because that was really a target. That red line I had up there. And it dang near made it up there and just sold out crazy. Oh, this what we need? Oh, this what we need? God dang it. How much could it push? It's a full blown demand. How much could they push up out of here? Could they make a new high? That's a 1-to-1 right there. A little bit over a 1-to-1. Well, oh, I'm finna take the 1-to-1 because I'll go for 1-to-1s. I don't know. I'm just, it's a full blown demand. All them buyers came in. I'm trying to just expect them to really, go crazy out this demand. They wanted to take it all the way up there last time. See if we can get that same reaction. The 1-to-1 did come in. Damn, bro. The 1-to-1 show came in. That's why I go for 1-to-1s. Damn it. Why I'm switching up? That's why I go for 1-to-1s right there. God dog it. Nah, that suck right there. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like this junk is cooked. I feel like this junk cooked. Oh, I ain't taking no more trades since whatever I did to get down 255, it been the same since. I've been trying to get set up. The only one, like it did this one way up here for a sale, but I was taking a buy off this demand and it shot down. And then after that, no sale set up. Just tried to create a demand setup. But I need to not even try to even look at that. Just look to go with the trend. Then it created this sale setup right here. But the only thing about this sale setup, my furthest area would have been way up here. But price was just in so much momentum to the downside, it couldn't even reach. And I'm not looking to just get in right there because I'm trying to do the same thing over and over and over again. So I would have had to wait for price to pull up here to the furthest area. Furthest area trades only. And it just kept going and going. So on my live account, I did some bull crap today. Like I think I took about risking $50 and I took about 4-5 trades. And it's like all the trades wasn't no setup except for the last one that I took at the beginning of the buy. And then I was trying to go for a 1-to-2. But the 1-to-1 came. But then I tried to go for a 1-to-2 and then it just shot down right here. So it's like today was just booty. I feel like I was having some good days. And I did bring this account back from the dead. So it's like I can't look at today like, too hard. But I bullcrapped on my live account. And I hate that I did that because most of the trades I took on there wasn't a setup. I was basically just gambling. And then I was doing it at the open. Like I just kept pressing buy around this time because I felt like buyers was going to come back in around this time. and I was bull crapping. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Like I just need a reset. Like I feel like I just need a reset. I need to not even get on the charts tonight at 5. Like I just need a full reset and just come back straight up tomorrow morning. Like maybe if I take a nap, just get off the charts right now, take a nap and stuff like that, I'll shake back. But I don't know, I feel like I just need a reset. Reset mentally, not you know the account. I just need to reset mentally, like just need to get off the charts. But I do got a reset coming up in 2 days on the 14th of another account. So I'll be able to trade 2 accounts at that point. I'll probably just do one at a time. I'll probably be risking probably 200 on one of the accounts. One of the accounts taking my setups, and one of them I just be risking $100 on the account taking my setups. That's probably what I try to do, but still only going 1-to-1s though. Only 1-to-1 trades. Like I wish I would have still went for the 1-to-1 earlier, but I don't know. Like I'm trying to get in motion. I'm trying to, do everything I'm supposed to do the right way. It's taking a little time, but I feel like I'm doing a little bit better. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day. Go ahead and post this video and just get off the charts. So yeah, NASDAQ soldier. I'm out.